Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all. Good
Good evening.
Good evening. Okay. Let us start. So, 11th question.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all. Solve 2 sin square x. Good evening, good evening. 2 sin square x one minute. Two sin square x plus sin square 2x equals to 2. So this is the question. 2 sin square x plus sin square 2x plus 2. See, so we have sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x. Now the solution. This is 2 sin square x plus sin 2x is equal to, we can replace 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x whole square equals to 2. 2 sin square x plus 4 sin square x cos square x minus 2 equals to 0. Divide both sides by 2. We get sin square x plus 2 sin square x sin square x cos square x minus 1 equals to 0. See here, this sin square x minus 1, take minus common. So this can be written as 2 sin square x cos square x. From sin square x minus 1, take minus common. You get 1 minus sin square x equals to 0. So now what do you substitute instead of 1 minus sin square x? 1 minus sin square x. What does 1 minus sin square x stand for? This equals to cos square x we can write.
Cos square x.
Yeah. That means 2 sin square x cos square x minus cos square x equals to 0. Now what shall we do now? What shall we do? Shall we take out cos square x common?
Yes, sir.
So let us take cos square x common. So then we get 2 sin square x minus 1 equals to 0. We get the two solutions. Cos square x equals to 0 and sin square x equals to 1 upon 2. 2 sine square x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 sine square x is equal to 1. Sine square x is equal to 1 by 2. These two we need to solve. Cos square x is equal to 0 means cos x is equal to 0. Okay, let us solve case 1 and case 2. Case 1.
Sir, one show.
Show before page, sir.
1 minute. Consider cos x equals to 0.
Sir, one show before. Okay, sir.
So now the consider case 2. Consider sine square x equals to 1 upon 2. Now this cos x is equal to 0 means directly we can write this solution x is equal to 2n plus 1 odd multiples of pi by 2.
1 pi by 2.
N belongs to z. This directly we can write. Whereas this one sine square x equals to we can write sine square 45 degrees. Am I correct? Sine 45 is 1 by
Yes,
root.
sir.
Now this is sine square x is equal to sine square alpha form. So this here x is equal to we can write 1 minute. Let me write. Principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 4. Sine square x is equal to sine square alpha. X is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha.
Plus or minus alpha.
This is n pi plus or minus pi by 4.
Pi by 4.
N belongs to z. So therefore x equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Next n pi plus or minus pi by 4. N belongs to z. This is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us move to the sixth major bit. Under fifth we have discussed 11 questions. Now under sixth we are going to discuss another model questions. Solve the following equations. So this is the first question. Root 3 sine theta minus cos theta equals to root 2. Actually this is in the form of a cos theta plus b sine theta is equal to C form. So now we are going to discuss the questions which are in the form of a cos theta plus b sine theta is equal to C. Okay. Solution. Here given root 3 sine theta minus cos theta equals to root 2. Divide both sides by root of a square plus b square. A means root 3 square 3, b means minus 1 square plus 1. Root 4 is 2. So one minute, I will show the next page. After that, don't worry. So this can be written now. Sine theta multiplied with root 3 by 2 minus cos theta multiplied with 1 upon 2 root 2 by 2. So this root 3 by 2 in terms of cos, 1 by 2 in terms of sine. This we can write sine theta cos 30 degrees, cos pi by 6 minus cos theta instead of half, sine 30. Root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 means root 2 by 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 1 ja root 2, 1 upon root 2. This is 1 upon root 2. This is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B. Sin of theta minus pi by 6 equals to 1 upon root 2. Now the principal value of theta minus pi by 6 we need to find out. After that, general solution. Just think. I will come back within few minutes. This was the previous problem. Right. Now this sin of theta minus pi by 6 equals to the value of sine whose value is equal to 1 by root 2 is
Sin pi by 4.
yes, sine 45 degrees. So principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 4. Sin theta is equal to sin k. General solution is actually we can write n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n alpha. You might have recollected that one. General solution is theta minus pi by 6 because in the place of theta we have theta minus pi by 6. N pi plus minus 1 to the power of n alpha. So that implies theta minus pi by 6 equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n alpha. Alpha means pi by 4. So we need theta value. So theta is equal to transpose minus pi by 6 that side. N pi plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Here n belongs to z. So this is the required our answer. Clear, understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us proceed for next solution. Next question, sorry. Second question. Cot x plus cosecant x equals to root 3. So cot x plus cosecant x or tan x plus secant x is given. So we need to convert in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c form. That means cot x in terms of cos x by sin x, cosecant x in terms of sin x, we need to write it first of all. Solution. The cot x we can write cos x upon sin x plus cosecant x we can write 1 upon sin x equal to root 3. Now here sin x is the LCM. So we get cos x plus 1 equal to root 3. Cross multiplication. Cos x plus 1 equals to root 3 sin x. So this can be rewritten as root 3 sin x minus cos x equals to 1. Now it is just like the previous problem only. Now what shall we do now? Divide
Both sides by
root over a square plus b square. Root 3 square 3 plus 1. Root 4 is 2. So we can write sin x into root 3 by 2 minus cos x into 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 2. Now what shall we do? Any idea? See, instead of root 3 by 2, what do you write? Cos 30. This is sin 30. So this we can write sin x cos 30
Cos pi by 6.
minus cos x
Pi.
sin 30 sin pi by 6 equals to
Sin pi by 6.
1 upon 2. Now left hand side, what shall we do? Left hand side, how could you simplify?
Sine of
Sin of a minus b.
Theta
Sin
x
of
minus
X
pi by
minus
6
b.
is
x minus
equals to sine of pi by 6.
Yes. Sin of x minus pi by 6 equals to sin 30, sin pi by 6. Here principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 6.
pi by 6.
General solution is x minus pi by 6 equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n alpha. Alpha means pi by 6. Therefore, we need x n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 6 plus pi by 6. Don't write 2 pi by 6. This leave it. N belongs to z. This is the answer. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now third problem. Sin x plus root 3 cos x equal to root 2. So shall we proceed directly or any mathematical manipulation is to be done? So directly we can do it. See, sin x plus root 3 cos x equal to root 2. Divide both sides
2.
by root of 1 plus 3, that is 2. So we can write sin x into sin x into 1 upon 2 plus cos x into
Root 3 by 2 is
root 3
equals
by
to
2
1 by
equals to root 2 upon 2. So whenever positive is there, you write down as a root 3 by 2 in terms of cos, 1 by 2 also cos write down. So that means we can write like this, cos x into cos 30 cos pi by 6 plus sin x into sin 30 write down. Root 2 by 2 already the previous problem we have done, 1 upon root 2. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, cos of A minus B. So cos of x minus pi by 6. This is equal to, we can write cos 45. Am I correct?
Cos pi by-
Yes. So now the principal PV is alpha is equal to pi by 4. General solution is x minus pi by 6 equals to 2n pi plus r minus alpha. That is 2n pi plus r minus pi by 4. So plus or minus means two cases we can take directly now. Here x minus pi by 6 equals to 2n pi plus pi by 4. X minus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 4. Now transpose minus pi by 6 to the right hand side. X equals to 2n pi plus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. So 2n pi here plus 12 is the LCM, am I correct? 12. 3 pi plus 2 pi, 5 pi. So now here we can write x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. 2n pi here plus write down first of all 12, 2 pi minus 3 pi. This is 2n pi minus pi by 12. So therefore x is equal to 2n pi plus 5 pi by 12, 2n pi minus pi by 12, n belongs to z. Okay, let us move to another question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Question number 4th problem.
Fourth.
Yeah. Tan theta plus sec theta. So just like previous one problem we have done cot x plus cosecant x. I already told you there itself only. How to solve this one? Tan theta plus sec theta is equal to root 3. Okay, any idea? Would you like to share with me? Would you like to share anything?
Converting sec theta to cos theta.
Sin theta by cos theta plus
Yes. Carry on. Go ahead.
sin theta by cos theta plus
1 by cos theta is equals to root 3.
Sin theta upon cos theta
Plus 1 by
1
cos
upon cos
theta is
theta.
1 by cos theta equals to root
3.
sin theta plus 1 by cos theta is
Cos
equals to
theta
root 3.
is LCM. Sin theta plus 1 equals to root 3. Cross multiplication.
sin theta plus 1 equals to root 3 cos.
Yes, root 3 cos theta. Now sin theta minus root 3 cos theta equals to
1.
negative 1.
1
Negative 1.
minus 1.
Yeah. Divide both sides by root of 1 plus 3. Root 4 equals
Root
to
4 is equals to 2, sir.
what do you get now? Sin theta by 2. That we can write sin theta
Sin
into 1
theta
upon
into 1 by 2
Sin
minus
1 by 2
minus
minus
cos
root
theta
3 by 2. Theta is equal
root 3 by 2 equals to negative 1 upon 2.
minus 1 by 2.
Yes, in the place of 1 by 2 write down cos function. In the place of root 3 by 2 write down sine function. So now what do we write here? Sin theta cos 60 degrees pi by 3 minus cos theta
Plus cos theta sin pi by 3 is equals
sin
to
pi by
minus
3
Minus 1 by 2 is equals to
minus
minus
1
1 by 2.
Okay. Now this we can write sine of a minus b formula. Theta minus pi by 3
Theta minus pi by 3
equal
is
to
is
equal
equals to minus 1 by 2.
minus sin
sine of minus 30 degrees minus pi
sin
by
of
6.
minus pi by.
Yes.
Minus pi by 3.
Principal value is alpha is equal to minus pi by 6. General solution is theta minus pi by 3 equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n minus pi by 6. So therefore theta is equal to n pi plus into minus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 6 plus pi by 3. n belongs to Z. This is the answer. Right. So now let us move to the next question. Fifth question. Cos 3x plus cos 2x equals to sine of 3x by 2 plus sine of x by 2. Right. So left hand side is in the form of cos c plus cos d. Right hand side is in the form of sin c plus sin d. So both formulae need to be applied here. See, let us recall the formulae. First formula, cos c plus cos d.
2 cos c plus d by 2 cos
2
c minus
cos
d
c
by 2.
plus d by 2 sine of c minus
2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Yes. Next, sin c plus sin d.
2 sin c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d.
2 sin of c plus d by 2
cos of c minus d by 2.
cos of c minus d by 2. Right. So now left hand side. Let us simplify left hand side now. See this cos c plus cos d, we can write 2 cos of 3x plus 2x, 5x by 2, cos of 3x minus 2x by 2, x upon 2, equals to 2 sin of c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 means 4x by 2. 4x by 2 is 2x. 3x plus x, 4x. 4x by 2 is 2x. 2x by 2, x you will be getting. Next, this we can write 2 sin x. Right?
Cos x by 2.
Cos x.
Next, this one is what now? Cos of
Cos x by 2.
3x by 2 minus x by 2. That is
X by
2x by 2. X
X by
by 2.
2x by 2.
Cos x by 2. Here 2 will cancel out. Now cos of 5x by 2, cos of x by 2
X by 2 is equals to sin x cos x.
minus sin x cos of x by 2 equals to 0. So now what shall we take out common? This cos of x by 2.
Cos of x by 2.
Yes, let us take out cos of x by 2 common. If you take out cos of x by 2 common, what do you get? Cos of 5x by 2 minus sin x equals to 0.
0.
Here we get two cases. One case is cos of x by 2 equals to 0 and cos of 5x by 2 equals to sin x. Now we need to solve these two cases separately. Up to this step is understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. This is very easy. Cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. X by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. That we can write. So now the case 1. Cos of consider.
answer shall be 4 page.
1 minute. Cos of x by 2 equals to 0.
Okay, sir.
So now we can write x by 2 equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Right? 2 cancel. X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi. N belongs to Z. So in the first general solution we'll get it. Case 2. Case 2. Consider cos of 5x by 2 equals to sin x. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. This cos of 5x by 2 equals to this sin x we can write cos of pi by 2 minus x. Can I write cos 90 minus x is sin x only. Now this becomes principal value. This is the theta. So now what do we get? So principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So general solution is 5x upon 2 equals to cos. Cos means 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That is pi by 2 minus x. So multiply with 2 on both sides. What do you get now? 5x equals to 4n pi plus or minus pi minus 2x. Here again 2 cases. 5x equals to 4n pi plus pi minus 2x. Take negative sign. 5x is equal to 4n pi minus pi plus 2x. If you bring minus 2x this side, that becomes 7x plus 4n pi plus pi. If you take 2x this side, 5x minus 2x is 3x equal to 4n pi minus pi. Here x equals to 4n pi by 7 plus pi by 7. This we can write 4n plus 1 times pi by 7. Now x equals to 4n pi by 3 minus pi by 3. What do you write this one? 4n minus 1 times pi by 3. So you list out this solution, this one and this one. That will be the general solution. So therefore, hence x equals to 2n plus 1 pi, 4n plus 1 pi by 7, 4n minus 1 pi by 3. N belongs to Z. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, one question I will give homework to you. Try to solve question. What is the question number, Nadesh?
6th one.
Sixth one.
Sixth question.
Yes, sixth question. Cot square x minus of root 3 plus 1 cot x plus root 3 is equal to 0. 0 less than x, x less than pi by 2. Here condition is given. X must lie between 0 to pi by 2. That means only principal values only we need to consider, not general solutions. Just solve it. Just factorize it. You will get the answer. Just open the bracket and get the factors. You will get the answer. Okay, I will give 2 minutes time to you. Just solve this question. see cot square x minus root 3 cot x, if you open the bracket, minus cot x minus root 3 equals to 0. Here cot x we can take out common. Here minus 1 we can take out common. If you take cot x common, you get cot x minus root 3. Minus 1 common, cot x minus root 3 equals to 0. Now let us take this cot x minus root 3, cot x minus root 3 common out. Then what do you get? Cot x minus root 3 into cot x minus 1 equals to 0. We get two cases. Cot x equals to root 3. Here cot x equals to 1. Already told you, whenever cot x is given, we need to change into tan. So that implies tan x equals to 1 upon root 3. Here tan x equals to 1 upon 1 is 1 only. So this we can write tan of 30 degrees, pi by 6. This we can write tan pi by 4. 45 degrees, 60 degrees lies between this interval only. Therefore, so case 1, if you consider tan x is equal to 1 by root 3, what is the principal value? PV is alpha is equal to pi by 6. Alpha by, pi by 6 belongs to this interval only. Now case 2, tan x is equal to 1. Principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, required solution. Required solution is x is equal to pi by 6 comma pi by 4. This is the answer. Clear? Understood, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Shall we conclude the session?
Yes.
So tomorrow we shall
Yes,
continue.
sir.
Right. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.